Morning guys, so we've just woke up from the air hotel. I had a good night's sleep really. It was rather quiet on the whole. Didn't really hear much. Had maybe one person going past with a suitcase. So yeah, all in all, good night's sleep. So we're all just getting ready now. It's about 5:30 in the morning. So Thea's just having her hair done. So yeah, today got my Bruno top on. Thea, what are you wearing today?
Michael and jacket.
Yeah. Ready? You got matching?
Matching and on the back of both of them we've got Disney World.
Cool. So yeah, we're gonna head over in a minute, check in at Virgin, and go for security. Mate, depending what time we're there, we might have a little look in the shops or head straight to the lounge.
Me and Thea need to go have a spray of perfume.
So see you in a bit. Hi guys, so just made it into the #1 lounge. Security was really easy. Only took us about 20 minutes to get through. That was from checking in with Virgin, straight through security, Doddle, looked around the shops. Now we're in the #1 lounge. Faye's just taking the kids off to get their breakfast. When we got into the #1 lounge, all the tables were booked, but they've opened up a little section for us. We haven't got a window seat, but foggy out today, so we can see much outside anyway. So yeah, time to get some breakfast, enjoy the lounge. Yeah, so another thing about the air hotel, it's really convenient. Just walking across in the morning from the other side. It's literally about a minute walk, easy wicket. The only problem is in the room, they have security lights on, and yeah, the security lights on all night can keep you awake. Freddie was moaning that he can't sleep with lights on, and it was a tad warm, but yeah, apart from that, it was a good stay.
I say it's a good view.
Alright, do you want to have a look what's in here?
No.
Do you have a look what's in your...
See ya.
No, just that one. Have a look what's in here, yeah?
Yeah.
So what have you got in here?
Probably not gonna use that though. Sunglasses. A puppet? Oh no, I'm having that.
What else you got?
Look at my puppet. Look at little puppet. What's that?
An adventure book.
Ooh, an adventure book. Okay, put that back in. Mummy, I got a puppet.
Puppet? No way.
Some pencils.
Oh yeah, okay.
Our aircraft's called Purple Rain.
What?
Our aircraft is called Purple Rain.
Oh, Purple Rain.
Yeah, that's the name of the aircraft.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is it going quick?
Still mate. Okay, here we come.
Is that cool? What do you reckon?
What are you doing?
See what you reckon. You see, will it see any chickens up there now?
Wow. Pretty awesome.
Welcome once again. You excited, Freddie?
Yeah, really excited. I just can't wait to see our room and play some games and go some rides and eat some food and go to the party and see some fireworks. I'm just so excited for everything.
Me too, mate, me too. Are you excited, Thea? What are you most excited for?
Aggie.
Huggies. Ah.
Standing on a boat.
Who's making it? You ready?
Wow. That was amazing, wasn't it? Let's do the countdown. You guys ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. So we just got into our room. Yeah, and we got to show you our switch room. Hi Thea. So we've got Hey and Mickey. What's the big surprise? It's not doing anything. We also got a little table and a secret bed that goes under there. We've got another bed. We got my butt.
Excuse me.
We've got a really nice bathroom.
Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Disney, tell
You told me the
Daddy
best
joke.
joke, Casita. Want to hear it?
Yes.
What's orange and sounds like a parrot?
I don't know.
A carrot. Get it? A carrot.
I get it. Number 1.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Olaf. Olaf who? Olaf, my cookies are gone. Do you have any?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, my mom.
A few minutes later.
Children have absolutely crashed out. But it is gone 1 o'clock in the morning back home. So they've done really, really well. We've just ordered dinner. Freddie's asleep, but he ordered chicken strips. Thea didn't fancy anything at all. I think she knew she was going to fall asleep. So I've got chicken strips with gochujang sauce. And James has got a caprese chicken burger. So we'll see how these are.